Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss about iodoform test. So one of the important reaction, we need to have complete command on the iodoform test. First of all, which reactants will respond to the iodoform test? Basically methyl ketone, the CH3C double bond O group containing, the group which is having CH3C double bond O, this group containing carbonyl compounds generally responding towards iodoform test. Here you need to remember one important point, that is R. What is R, sir? R is nothing but you can take either hydrogen or either alkyl group or phenyl group, any one of these three. Then it responded to the iodoform test. Keep it in your mind. We do examples also, you will get more clarity. Next, coming to the next one more point. Here, which type of reagents we are using here in this reaction? I2 plus NaOH, or else you can also use KOH. I2 plus KOH you can use. Or else one more thing, here sodium hypoiodite. That means you can directly use NaOI or potassium hypoiodite KOI or CaOCl2. Have you got it? So any one of these five, I2 NaOH or I2 KOH or NaOI or KOI or CaOCl2 reagent, any one of these five you can use. Okay, the reactant which contains CH3C double bond O will respond and gives what? LOPPT. So LOPPT it gives. That LOPPT is nothing but a iodoform. Generally LOPPT formula is what? Iodoform formula CHI3 is the iodoform. That means simply you can say this group will be converted as like iodoform and the remaining this group will be converted as like a carboxylic acid. That means, so this is the base reaction, you need to have clarity on it. Sodium hypoiodite, how we are getting, we know. That means iodine and sodium hydroxide both react with each other and we are getting what? Sodium hypoiodite. It is a mild oxidizing agent, not strong, mild oxidizing agent. So here you may get one doubt, sir, if you see alcohols also responding towards what? Iodoform test. But how? We need to know about that. Directly if you learn CH3CHOH group containing alcohols also will respond, no. But you should know about why that alcohol, second degree alcohol which contains methyl group, how it is responding, why it is responding, we need to know. Here if you take second degree alcohol, I have taken 2-propanol. This 2-propanol is a second degree alcohol, we all know very well. This second degree alcohol, here when you treat with that sodium and iodine and sodium hydroxide, it is sodium hypoiodite, is a mild oxidizing agent. Alcohol get oxidized to what? Ketone, which is nothing but a methyl ketone. So here this group is there. That means alcohol also will be converted into this group. Then this group containing one will respond to iodoform test. Don't forget about that point. Have you got it? So now go to the first degree alcohols. This is important. All first degree alcohols are responding or not once you see. So I am taking first degree alcohol. Okay. If I take this first degree alcohol, ethanol I am taking, it is also getting oxidized. Okay. Second degree alcohol which contains methyl group and first degree alcohol only ethanol. Keep it in your mind. Why only ethanol, sir? Why not remaining? Because ethanol, if you do oxidation, mild oxidizing agent, that is sodium hypoiodite, so it is converting into acetaldehyde. So that acetaldehyde is having methyl ketone group, then it will respond to iodoform test. Are you following what I'm talking here? Right? So first degree alcohol mainly ethanol only. Second degree alcohol which contains methyl group. Have you got it? So up to here clear? Yeah. Now we solve some examples based on the above information. Okay. So now you check one is giving iodoform test or not. Just you check. Here it is having methyl ketone group. Okay. So or nothing but CH3 C double bond O group. If it contains this group, obviously it is responding to iodoform test. Positive test will be given. Positive. Now coming to the second one. Yes, second one also will respond because this group is there. This is also giving positive test. Are you following what I am talking? Yeah. Now coming to third one, dear. Third one, if you take, no, it is not responding. It is a ketone, but it is not a methyl containing ketone. So it is not giving positive test. It is giving negative test. Now coming to this one, ethanol. So ethanol will be converted as like a acetaldehyde. So that one will give positive test. We did this one in the examples. So it gives positive. Next, you see this one. Here, fifth one, will it give response? Yes, definitely. Why? If you do, oxidation will become as like acetone. If it is acetone, then it will give positive test. Have you got it? Yeah. Now coming to the sixth one. If you take sixth one, it is first degree alcohol, but it is not ethanol. Okay, right? If you do oxidation, mild oxidizing agent, you are getting like this. So there is no CH3 which is attached to C double bond O. That's why it is not giving. It is giving negative test. Have you got it? Fifth one giving positive, sixth one is not giving. So it's a negative test. Now coming to seventh one. Clearly I mentioned that R must be either hydrogen or alkyl group or phenyl group. But here it is given NH2. So NH2 means what? It's not responding. It is also negative. Have you got it? Next coming to the eighth one. Okay. If you take eighth one, what's happening here? It is not having no acidic hydrogen. Okay. Acidic hydrogen. If there are no acidic hydrogens, no test. This is a negative test. Next here you take this one. If you take this one, what will happen? Here it is responding because methyl group containing alcohol. So simply it is responding because it will convert as like a C double bond OCH3. Yeah, it gives positive test. So obviously this group will respond. It is also giving positive test. Have you got it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.